Hello, today I'm in Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to start driving this car. Let's start with some basics like safety. Before driving, make sure to fasten your seatbelt. Once it's done, adjust the seat so it's comfortable for you. You can change height and distance from the steering wheel. And next, adjust the side mirror's position. The best side mirror position for the driver is when the driver door handle is located in the bottom right corner. Once it's set, you can also adjust the steering wheel position, height and distance. Set auto lights, and next you can enable high beam assistant. Once everything is set, press brake button, press brake pedal, push button on the left side of the transmission gear and push it downwards to drive. If you want to select neutral, push it upwards. If you want to select reverse, push it upwards with the button. Right here you can find cameras. You can change camera angles. Now, when you are set to go, release the brake and start driving. While driving your Nissan X-Trail, you can find multiple buttons like e-pedal, ProPILOT and more. E-pedal is designed for regenerative braking, thanks to which you can extend the battery life and range of your car. Also, you can enable B mode on the transmission, which will increase the regenerative braking even further. Now, to use turn signals, push the lever on the left side. To brake, press brake. And if you want to use cruise control, press ProPILOT button. Once the ProPILOT button was pressed, press cancel button downwards. Thanks to which cruise control will be enabled, and then you can change distance from the following car by pressing this button. You can increase the speed by pushing this button upwards, decrease it by pushing it downwards, or disable ProPILOT by pressing this button again. Now, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the climate control panel, on which we can change airflow temperature. We can enable seat heating for driver and passenger, and also we can enable steering wheel heating, manage rear climate control, temperature, change climate control, power and direction. In case of the cold winter nights, you can defrost the front windshield by pressing this button. Let me reach the stop and I will show you next how to use the automatic parking assistant. After reaching your parking spot, press brake, select parking mode and press automatic parking assistant. Now select type of the parking. You can select bay reverse, bay forward or parallel. Then you can change parking spot. Afterwards, tap start to start parking. Release brake. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. The car is autonomously parking on the selected spot. And it's done. To stop the car, press brake and press stop button. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.